Updating your legal name on Citrix is an important process that ensures your account reflects your current identity. Follow these steps to make the update quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Citrix account. Access your Citrix account by entering your username and password on the Citrix login page. Ensure you are using a secure network to protect your personal information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard under your account name or profile icon. Step 3. Select Name Change option. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option that allows you to update your personal information or specifically your name. Click on this option to proceed with the name change. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new name, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your request is being processed. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or confirmation. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated in the Citrix system. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Citrix support for assistance.